Welcome, young explorers, to Curious Minds, the channel where learning is an adventure. I'm Professor Witty, and I'm here to take you on a journey through the fascinating worlds of social studies, science, history, and so much more. Are you ready to dive into the wonders of knowledge? Let's go! Hello, Curious Minds. Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the wonders of science. Today, we're embarking on a journey through the fascinating world of the water cycle, a natural process that keeps our planet hydrated and thriving. So grab your umbrella and join me as we unravel the mysteries of how water moves and transforms across the Earth. Today, we're diving into the first act of the water cycle, a magical process called evaporation. Now, imagine you're on a journey with water molecules and the sun is your guide, turning ordinary water into something extraordinary. Let's unravel the secrets of evaporation. Evaporation is like a magic trick that happens when the sun shines its bright rays on water. Imagine a puddle after the rain. As the sun comes out, it starts to disappear, right? That's evaporation at work. The sun's warmth gives energy to water molecules, making them dance and twirl into the air, turning from liquid into something invisible called water vapor. Now here's the cool part. These invisible water vapor molecules rise up into the sky, creating clouds. It's like a water adventure in the air. This is crucial for the water cycle because it's the first step in the journey. Without evaporation, we wouldn't have those fluffy clouds that bring us rain and snow. Thanks for joining us on this mesmerizing exploration of evaporation. If you found yourself captivated by the sun's magic turning water into invisible vapor, get ready for the next enchanting chapter. Welcome to the next phase in the water cycle adventure, the fascinating world of condensation. Imagine clouds forming in the sky and you're witnessing the magic of water changing its form. Let's unravel the secrets of condensation together. Condensation is like the part of the story where the invisible water vapor we talked about earlier starts to come together and form clouds. It's like a group of tiny water droplets holding hands and creating something we can see in the sky. This happens when the warm air that carried the water vapor meets cooler air high up in the atmosphere. Now, why is condensation important? Well, these clouds are like nature's storytellers. They gather in the sky, telling us that something special is about to happen. It's a crucial part of the water cycle because it sets the stage for the next big moment. Precipitation. Before we delve into the deeper waters of precipitation, let's take a look at a real-life application of what we have learned so far. Picture your bathroom mirror after a hot shower. The steam from the shower is water vapor, just like in the air. When the warm vapor meets the cool mirror, it turns into tiny water droplets you can see. That's condensation in action. Now imagine this happening in the sky, creating those big, fluffy clouds we love to watch. Hey there! Let's keep things flowing as we venture onward in our water cycle journey. At last, we're stepping into the spotlight on precipitation, the thrilling moment when the sky puts on a watery show. Imagine rain tapping on your window or snowflakes twirling down. That's the magic of precipitation, and we're about to uncover its secrets. Precipitation is the third phase in our water cycle adventure. Remember those clouds we talked about in condensation? Well, they've been busy gathering water droplets, and when there are too many for the cloud to hold, they fall to the ground. That falling water is what we call precipitation. Why does precipitation matter? It's like nature's way of sharing water with the earth. Rain, snow, sleet, or hail, these are all forms of precipitation and they bring life to the land. Precipitation is vital because it helps plants grow, fills up our rivers and lakes, and gives us the water we need to live. Think about a hot summer day when clouds gather and suddenly rain starts pouring down. That's precipitation at play. Or in winter when those fluffy clouds release snowflakes, covering everything in a soft, white blanket. It's like a gift from the sky, and it all starts with precipitation. There you have it, the spectacular world of precipitation. It's the moment when the sky showers us with its watery gifts, making our world vibrant and alive. Precipitation is the showstopper in the water cycle story, bringing joy and nourishment to our planet. Here we are, closing this series with the final act of our water cycle adventure, the dynamic world of runoff. Picture raindrops hitting the ground and rivers flowing. That's runoff in action. Join me as we take a deeper look into this essential part of the water cycle. Runoff is like the water's journey on land after it falls from the sky as precipitation. When it rains or snows, the water doesn't just disappear. Instead, it travels across the Earth's surface, finding its way into rivers, streams, and even underground. It's nature's way of creating a water highway connecting different parts of the land. Now, why is runoff so important? It's like a magical adventure for water, exploring new places and shaping the landscape. Runoff helps create rivers and streams, carving paths through the land. It also nourishes plants and replenishes the water in our lakes, ensuring that life continues to thrive. Imagine a hilly landscape after a rainstorm. The rainwater doesn't just sit there, it flows downhill, gathering into small streams that join together to form rivers. This journey is runoff in action, and it's responsible for shaping valleys, canyons, and even the landscapes we see every day. There you have it, the incredible world of runoff. It's the grand finale in the water cycle story where water embarks on a journey across the land, shaping and sustaining life. Remember, runoff is the final adventure that completes the amazing cycle of water on our planet. Stay curious and keep exploring. This is Professor Witty signing off until our next exploration. Oh, last thing, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell so you don't miss out on any new adventures.